Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So this tutorial is the continuation of how to convert SQL queries into Python pandas. So this is our question. Get the employees from IT department who are having more than one project. Okay. So what I am doing, first I am selecting whichever columns I need. I need employee ID and employee name. Then I need count of projects, right? So I am doing count of projects from the projects table. Okay, from employees E I am joining these employees from the projects with the projects. Okay, then where department equals to IT, then I am doing group by of employee ID and name because I am taking these two columns here. Okay, then more than one project, that's why I am taking having count of project ID equal greater than 1. Okay, this is a simple query. Now let's me show you how to convert it into Python. So this is our connection, and first I need to read the data, right? So then that's why employees from employees table I am doing pd dot read SQL, select star from employees, then connection. From the projects table I need two tables, right? That's why read SQL, select star from projects, then connection, and connection I'm closing the connection. Okay, so now I need a data frame, right? Filtered data frame. So what I'll do like employees filter. Okay, so equals to, so here first what I need to do, I need to join these two tables, right? So what I'll do, I will first, what is my left table? My left table is employees, right? So employees dot I need join, so I will use merge function. So what I am merging, I am joining projects table, right? So projects, this is my right table. Okay, now from the employees I need employee ID, and that is my in my left table, right? This is my left table, so I'll write like left on. So left on, this is coming from employees table, and from the employees table I need emp ID, so I'll write like emp ID. And from the right table, this projects table I need employee ID, so I'll write like right on employee ID. Okay, now join is done. Then what I need to filter. What I need to filter? I need to filter department. So I'll write like, so I'll use query function. Okay, so query, then I'll use department. So department equals to IT, right? So department equals to IT. Then my filter is done. Then what I need to do, I need to group by. So what I need to group by, I need to group by employee ID and employee name, right? So I'll use group by function. Group by employee ID and employee name. Okay, after that I need as filter as index equals to false. Okay, now I group by is done. What I need now, I need to do the aggregation of project ID, count of project I need. So dot again query. Okay, sorry, so I need aggregation, that means I need aggregate function. Aggregate, I need to give a new column name, so I'll write like project count equals to, I need project ID. Okay, then what I'm doing, I am doing count, so I'll write like count. Okay, now again, so my joining is done, my filtration is done, group by is done, and aggregation is done. Now I need having function, right? So I need to do having. So whatever the project count is greater than 1. So again I will write like query dot query. Okay, then I need project count. So I need this one, this column, project count is greater than 1. Okay, now print employees field. Okay, so if I run this, here you can see David Brown project count is greater than 1. So here I am running this one. Here you can see 2 projects of David Brown greater than 2. Okay, greater than 1. So here you can see project ID, employee ID 4. Okay, there are 2 projects. So like this you can convert SQL queries into Python. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.